Welcome to Dental Mom Talks. This is the second part of 20 habits to enhance productivity. Let's dive in. Tip number 8. Give time for yourself. We spend most of the day doing things for others. We demand much of ourselves, but the harder we push, the more we need to replenish ourselves. Calm down. Take a break. 15 to 30 minutes for yourself. Alone time, involving nobody else. Prioritizing time to do the things for yourself will not only make you happy and keep you sane, but it will probably make you more efficient at other tasks. Often when we find ourselves with an empty hour, what do? We reach out for our mobile phones or TV remote, right? We avoid ourselves. Why? Is it because of what we might find? Someone who is missing out on all the life's fun? Today onwards, you are going to make your alone time an opportunity for inner growth and renewal. Spend time for yourself. Your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being also matters. Alone, in moments of prayer or meditation, or simply sitting in stillness, writing down your thoughts, we breathe more deeply, see more fully, and hear more keenly. Practice this. Practice this break of 30 minutes of solitude at least once in a week. I repeat, this is alone time. Involve no one else, just you alone. Tip number 9. Be ambitious. All the ladies out there is nothing wrong in being ambitious. You can want everything and have everything. Believe in yourself. Don't live on anyone else's benchmark. Don't let anyone tell you who you are, who you can be, and who you can't be. Fight for your dreams. There comes our tip number 10. Do not settle on your dreams. Do you like failure? I don't think so. I personally don't like failures. It takes a lot of crying and chocolates for me to overcome that. But one thing that is certain as daylight in our lives is you will fail multiple times. There is nothing you can do to stop that. But it's what you do after your failure that matters. Successful people push failure aside, analyze it, and learn from it. So get up, dust yourself off, and rise like a phoenix. Tip number 11. Surround yourself with right people. Who are the right people? Like-minded people. People who input positivity in you. Those are the people you have to surround yourself with. No matter what you do, there will always be someone who is displeased, who will criticize you. Opinions of people outside your inner circle shouldn't matter, doesn't matter. And opinions of faceless people in your social media accounts doesn't matter at all. So, a bad comment by someone shouldn't affect you, shouldn't throw you back, shouldn't make you depressed. Tip number 12. Stop judging others. Do you like being judged? No, right. Then why are we judging others? What do you mean by judging? See, when you stand a beggar on the side of the road, you start thinking, he must be an alcoholic, or must be too lazy to go for work that he's begging, or he's a drug addict, he's dirty. See, that is judging. You do not know the story of that person. You do not know his or her circumstances. Yet, you made opinions about that person beforehand. That is called judging. Why do we judge others? Have you thought of that? The only reason is our ego. See, when you judge others, you're finding some fault in others, right? So, you start thinking, I am a better mom than her. I am a better person than her. Right? That feeds your ego. That is not a positive habit. Stop doing it today. Our next tip stands along with the previous tip. Stop gossiping about others and start spreading positivity. What is gossip? Gossip may not be lies always. What you're talking about a fault or a weird incident may be true. But when you speak about those in the absence of that particular person to another person, it becomes a gossip. Don't hurt people with your words, and don't try to become a star in a group by hurting people. Don't pass your time hurting people. There are millions of other topics that you can talk about. If you have to talk about a person, talk only about his good things, his positive things. Tip number 14. Build healthy relationship with your spouse and kids. Your family is your strongest support system. Enrich that by giving your quality time. Tip 15. Take promises and commitments seriously. Stop giving excuses and start giving results. Tip number 16. Try listening to motivational talks daily. I started listening to motivational podcasts 6 months ago, and presently I'm a fan of this podcast called Productive Woman. They are awesome. A lot of inspiring and motivational talks. You must have all heard of TED Talks. That is also a great platform to listen to. These podcasts will not interfere with your work. For women, you can listen to this while you're doing your dishes or chopping vegetables. So start this habit today. It will make a great impact on your life. Tip number 17. Nurture your talent. Everybody is born with some kind of talent. Nobody without any talent or abilities. You must have been a talented student when you were in school or college. Bring out that. Nurture it. Tip number 18. Try to decrease dependency on others. Try to do everything on your own, even if you think it is impossible for you to do it alone. In the process, you will learn new things. For women, if possible, earn for yourself. Financial independence will boost your confidence to sky. Tip number 19. Be self-aware. It means to understand who you are, your strengths, your faults, your areas to be improved. This can be done through a simple habit. That is my tip number 20. Write night journals. Before going to bed, keep a journal near your bed and jot down important events of that day. What you write in your night journals may be a simple thing, like something happened in your house today, something that made you sad, something that made you angry, something that made you emotional. While writing it down, you may realize why you reacted in a particular way. And in future, you can avoid that particular trigger factor or that particular circumstance. When you're doing this before going to bed, you are unburdening yourself, you're forgiving yourself. This will have a great impact on your life. So friends, these are the 20 tips that I wanted to share with you to enhance your productivity. I hope you all liked this video. If you found this video to be helpful, please hit the like button and support my channel by subscribing it. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you for watching.